Okay, so here they tell us that a number cube is labeled 1 to 6, so then the sides of this thing are going to have the numbers 1 to 6 on them. And what they really mean by this is that this is going to be a fair die. So a fair six-sided die. And fair means that when you roll it, right, each side is equally likely to come up. And so what that means is that actually the probability of any side, since there are 6 of them, the probability of any side coming up is 1 out of 6. And this is the key to figuring this out. The probability, if I have A is some event in the language of probability, so an event here would be what color haven't I used? An event would be, no, I did use that one. Here we go. An event would be getting a number less than 5. If that is my event A, then the probability of that event, we call this P and then brackets and then A, is the number of ways for A to occur, for the event to occur, over the total number of things that can happen. We actually call that the sample space. This is not something we need to get into gigantically deeply for this, though. We just need to know that I'm looking at the number of ways that I can get a number less than 5 and dividing it by the total number of things that can happen. What's the total number of things that can happen? So this is going to be P of number less than 5, so getting less than 5 is, well, what's the total number of things that can happen? Total number of things that can happen. It's a 6-sided die, right? It has numbers 1 to 6. So there are 6 ways, or 6 things that can happen, 6 totals, like total things that can happen. I can get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. Well, what is the event A? How many ways are there for A to occur? Well, I could get a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4. That's it. Those are the only ways that I could get a number less than 5. Those are the only numbers less than 5. So there are 4 ways for A to occur. Maybe I'll make this a little bit smaller. 4 out of 6. And the sort of convention is that I'm just going to simplify this as much as I can. 4 is 2 times 2, 6 is 2 times 3, so I'm going to cancel the 2's, and this is just 2 out of 3. There is a 2 out of 3 chance. Maybe let's get it in our lighter green, which we always use for the answer. There's a 2 out of 3 chance that I get a number less than 5. And that's it.